SAM is a core facility at IMIM, and we offer service to any public or private institution. We offer a wide range of services from basic to clinical research. Those services go from the experimental design advising to the analysis of the data, and we try to help the researchers to make the most of their data.
In the lab, we use microarrays to study how hematopoietic stem cells are made. And one of the important questions that we need to answer is which are the genes that are important for this process. We use microarrays to identify the candidate genes and to know which ones are important for this process.
Here is the lab where we work. Previous to processing the samples, what we do is to check the quality. Once we know the quality is okay, what we do is to start to process the samples. The process of the microarray has different steps. The first one is the amplification, then we do the fragmentation and the labeling with biotin, and after that what we do is to hybridize the sample into the array. Then we do the washing and the staining step in the fluidics station. After that we scan the array in the scanner, and then what we have as a result is the image of the array in which we have the intensity of each proof. And here is where the data analysis begins.
At the end of the process, for the analysis of genomics and expression data, several tools and statistical packages are used. It's important to remark that our microarray service is strategically located in the PRBB building, a research park located next to Hospital del Mar. This situation promotes translational research. Additionally, microarray studies can also be complemented using the molecular cytogenetics platform.